And this is
Austin. Austin's right now.
Yay! Woo! Alright, let's get into play. And we're going to be playing Don't Wake Daddy. Trust me, you don't want to wake Daddy on this Daddy anyway, because he can be your bear.
Give me scissors.
Yeah, we need scissors. Or we have Daddy.
We have Daddy power.
We have Daddy power.
What's the watch?
This says,
Oh, yeah.
shh, hop out of bed, but don't wake Daddy. The first one who gets to the fridge wins. It looks like it says. Okay, this is for 3+, and it is Don't Wake the Daddy. And it says, shh, hop out of bed and spin the cool color spinner. Move to the matching color space. Watch your step, it's dark. Oh no, you stepped on the cat and landed in number 5. Now push Daddy's alarm button 5 times. He can sleep through it, or you woke Daddy. Oh no. And he sends you all the way back to the bed to start over. Whoever reaches the refrigerator first wins. And contents include the game board, spinner, deck of cards, pawn stands, Daddy in bed with hat, label sheet, instructions, and instructions.
Let's open. Woo!
Alright.
There's Daddy.
You are responsible for Daddy in the bed.
Not you, Daddy.
Daddy won't go to bed early tonight because he doesn't sleep. He doesn't have to go to work tomorrow.
Yeah. Woo!
Oh my. Once we get this together, we'll be back on 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Oh, we don't need 3. This. Okay. Now, object of the game. Alright. Oh, wrong side of the instructions. Gameplay. The youngest player goes first and plays and passes to the left. On your turn, spin the spinner and move your mover. If you spin a color, move to the character the first space of that color. The purple star moves your character from wherever it is on to the track to the space right in front of the leader. If you're already in the leader, spin again. Note, if there is no players on the track, move to the very first space of the track. If you land on a plain color space without picture and number, you're safe. A space with a picture and number, clumsy you are in trouble. If you have a card in your hand that matches the space you land on, you're safe. And your turn ends, keep the card. But if you don't have a card and matches the space, you must push the button on the alarm clock the number of times indicated on the space. If your daddy sleeps through the alarm, stay in that space until your next turn. But if you wake Daddy and make him pop up his bed and up in his bed, you must do 2 things: collect the matching color from the player who has it. So if you land on a nasty spot again, you'll be safe. And 2, go all the way back to your own bed and start from off the track. Remember, if you spin the purple star, you jump to the front.
What's the fun?
No. Doesn't matter if you want blue, yellow, or green.
Blue.
We'll take green then.
Okay.
Okay, and then it says cards, but what? Okay, separate the 8 mover cards with pictures of kids from the deck. Pick a mover, boy or girl, and when you have enough spaces, movers could be boys and all 4 girls. Put the movers so you don't use them back in the box. Put the select mover card in front of the stand. Shuffle the remaining 16 cards and deal them face up So each player has the same cards. Note, in a 3-player game, put the extra card aside. Okay, so we have to remove these ones.
What? People?
Yeah,
Why?
because that's what it says.
The one, let the,
We'll see. Well, we have to have 16 at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the person's out. Okay, so then I'll put these guys back in the box so we don't lose them. And then,
I go first.
yeah, but we have to deal 16 cards. So it'd be,
Can you please?
it has to be this way, sweetie. Wait, you have 3, okay. Oh, no, you need that one. I'm losing my thought process when you talk, honey.
I want to do it.
You should have equal, right? 1, 2, 3. We should have 5 each. Do you have 5, baby?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Do you have 5? Okay. Now, youngest players go first. Purple, you go. You start. You want me to move you, or you want to move yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now,
That's next youngest.
no, it's not. It's to the left, and you are definitely by far not the next youngest.
Oh.
I'm red.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'm red. Okay, then I'll go in front of you then. I was trying this. Okay. Wait. I'm so confused. I land on the card. I don't have a card, okay. Honey,
A baseball. I have a baseball.
if you're playing color space, you're safe. Without a picture and a number, you're safe. A space with a picture and a number, oh clumsy you could be in trouble. If you have the card in your hand that matches the space you land on, you're safe. And turn in and keep the card. But if you don't have the card that matches the space, you must push the alarm button the amount of times indicated on the space. Okay.
You don't.
I have 2. I don't have it. I have the ball. I don't have the ball.
Just do.
Okay.
First,
Daddy's turn. I think we do.
yeah.
If they stay some space.
It's purple.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, where's the purple one?
Right here.
Look, that's it.
Oh, purple?
Yes.
What do you mean purple?
What's this one?
You're on yellow.
This is on this one.
Oh, so you go in front. You go to number 4. You go in front of the first player. And so that means you have the card, the girl card, that's crying. No, no one does. So you have to go that amount of times. You have to have 4 times.
4 times.
Yeah.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3, 4. Your turn, baby.
I close my eye. The
Green.
red.
Oh, you're here. You gotta turn upside down so you can see. Hopefully you have that card. You're lucky you got the card. You're safe. You're safe.
What have to do?
Because you have to move this one right here. This is you. You're blue, remember? You gotta move here. No, you gotta move here. There you go. You're safe.
Oh,
Because you have the card.
I'm in front of you.
You're in front of all of us. Green.
Man.
Oh no.
What? Yeah.
I don't have the card.
Come on, do it, please. I can watch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Daddy's turn.
Look, I did this the whole time.
Oh, he goes in front of all of us. And
he
which
does.
yes, he does. He moves to the highest player. That's me. You're this one. And you go to red. You go right in front of us. And you're safe. You don't have to spin. I mean, you don't have to pull any cards or anything. You're yellow. You go here.
Aha!
Yep, and you're safe too.
Let me here.
Yeah, that's you. Oh!
Whoa! That was a dumping.
What?
I said that was a
Green.
Green for models.
Oh no.
Come on, do it. Stop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, whew. Daddy, your turn.
Oh,
You have the tricycle and you have to hit it 4 times. You won't have it. Only one card player has it. Ah!
It's good.
He has to go the whole way back to his bed, I think. If Daddy sleeps with alarm, okay, but if you wake Daddy and make him pop up in bed, you must do 2 things.
How I did it.
Collect the matching card from the player who has it, so if you land on a nasty spot again, you'll be safe. And so he could take your card, Austin.
Who?
Your dad. Or number 2, go all the way back to your own bed and start on off of the track.
Woo! Yes, don't take that.
What's the option?
You have to. You
only
can collect
have
the
4.
card.
Okay.
Mama,
Hold on.
so tough, boy. So
But I think you go back anyway, so you can either collect the card and if you land on it again, you'll be safe, or you go back and not collect the card and if you land on it again,
So
you have to
either
go
way,
back.
I get the card to go back.
Yes, so you can either not take the card and go back,
Don't
or
take the card.
go back and not take the card.
And then you say, what is it?
No, sit down. Your turn, baby. You're okay.
How many have more?
Where's 4? You must have got some of his cards.
Oh, I just took the one I got. You have an extra. You have
No,
6
1,
of
2,
them.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, you have 7 over there.
Okay, I'll just give you these 2. I don't know whose this is, but anyway, I'm sorry, sweetie. You're green, right?
Yeah.
So you move here. And you don't have a base, so you have to go. And
Who
hit.
has it?
It doesn't matter. You have to hit this first.
Oh,
You can be safe 5 times. 1, 3, 4, 5. So you're safe. That's in the middle. I'll just spin again. Spin again. Green.
Green. Oh, we're safe.
Your daddy turn.
Oh, this is fun.
Okay, you go.
Oh, boy.
He goes in front of us, but he lands on 2. And hold on, here's the thing. You land on mirror, but you have to have that card. Do you have that card?
Let's see.
Oh.
Bingo.
All right, you're good.
Can you give it to me?
No, he
Yeah.
can't because he didn't wake Daddy. You still have to. No, you don't have to hit the thing. You have to spin, baby.
What's this?
Just spin. Yours is way back
Green,
there.
green, green, green.
No.
Yeah.
Green.
What is it?
You're safe.
Yeah, you're good. Oh, keep hitting it. Yellow. Oh my. That's
What is the floor?
red. You go to the cat. Do you have a cat? No, you don't. Mommy has a cat. Bingo. That means you gotta hit him 5 times. No, you can't. Up. Start back to start, Daddy-O. And here's the card. He's losing anyway, honey. He just go the whole way back. You're in the green spot. Put his little night hat on.
This is how I did.
Let him put it on if he wants. Oh, where was I? Yellow, I think. Okay,
See,
push him
watch
back.
Hey, that's what I thought.
Okay, sit down.
Oh, even pink.
And the funny thing is, he's sleeping just like your daddy does. He snores so loud.
Blue.
Lou, you're way here.
Oh, yes, yes. Woo!
Don't get so happy.
Mommy has it. You
Oh.
have it 6 times.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, no, dear. Oh, man.
Oh, I had it wrong.
Oh, no, it has turns.
No, I do not. I want